Wouldn't it be amazing if you could have top-notch, first-in-class email automation absolutely free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. What's up, guys? Dave Jacobson here, entrepreneur and tech guru. In this video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on what are some of the best email automation platforms out there. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you one of the best kept secrets in email automation. This tool is on par with MailChimp and Klaviyo at a fraction of the cost, and you can actually use it absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, I'm going to shrink my melon size head here, and we're going to jump into the content of this video. So as you can see here, the first tool that I pulled up here is called MailChimp. And I'm sure if you're familiar with email automation, you've heard of this before. This is one of the most popular email automation platforms right now, for specifically designed for entrepreneurs and businesses that are just getting started. As you can see here, I'm gonna tweak this a little bit, and you can see that their standard for 500 contacts, their standard lowest tier service is free for 14 days, but then it starts at $20 a month. So that's not bad if you're just getting started. The problem with that is 500 contacts is not really a lot. If you're a business just trying to get going, or let's say you're a self-published author, or if you have a product or service that is a low price point, maybe not a repeat usage business model, then this can get expensive very fast. And the more contacts you have, let's say you have 1,500 instead of 500, the price just goes up from there, right? So at that point, you're at $45 a month. At 2,500, you're at $60 a month. And at 5,000, you're at $100 a month. So as you can see, guys, if you're just starting out as a business, your ROI might be challenged if you're using this particular service. Now, the good thing about MailChimp is they really do provide top, first-in-class solutions. And so, I've used all of these services that I'm going to talk about in the context of being an entrepreneur or the head of e-commerce or director of marketing for this company or that. So I do have a marketing background. I'm very familiar with all of these different services, and I've used them all. I'll say MailChimp is very intuitive to use. So if you're trying to build out your welcome series, or you're trying to create an email campaign, just a sort of a one-off, then it's gonna be very easy to build that out using their drag and drop software tool here. The problem again is the pricing. So as I click into the pricing model here, just taking a second to load, but you'll see that if you want to go up to 10,000 contacts, their starting price is $350 a month. That's just, if you're just a small business, that's just a lot of money, right? So that's the main issue with MailChimp. I would say it's one of the best, if not the best, for startups if you have the budget. So if you have a high price point, right? If you're offering a recurring business model service, then this might make sense for you. But if you're not, I wouldn't recommend it. The next we're going to take a look at is Klaviyo. So Klaviyo is a solid competitor to MailChimp. Also used by startups, right? I've used this before as well. Very good at creating email automation. They also provide SMS. So, you can do mobile pushes and things like that. So very, very intuitive, similar to MailChimp in terms of being able to navigate the platform and being able to look at the analytics and get access to your data, but also being able to create those those email series and those one-offs. In terms of the pricing model for Klaviyo, they do have a free option, which is nice, which MailChimp doesn't have. But unfortunately, it's only going to give you 250 active profiles. For them, active profiles basically just means email contacts, right? So that's not a ton, and they only give you 500 monthly email sends, which basically means you can send 1 or 2 emails to that list, and that's it. So again, you're looking more at probably at least $45 per month, which does give you up to 15,000 emails. So that's nice, and it goes up from there. So the next on our list is Constant Contact. So Constant Contact is it's a competitor to Klaviyo and MailChimp. In my experience, I'm not as floored, or I don't find their templates to be as compelling as, let's say, MailChimp's. The user interface struggles a little bit, but one good thing about Constant Contact is they do have a light option that you can use their service for just $12 a month. They do have the drag and drop templates available, so you can build out your series and build out your email templates. But, again, I don't think that the email templates they provide are as quality as some of the other ones we've looked at so far. So now I'm excited because I want to share with you one of the best kept secrets in all of email automation and marketing, for that matter. And that is this website here called Sender.net. So the cool thing about Sender.net is that they provide a first-in-class user experience similar to MailChimp, similar to Klaviyo. They provide the drag and drop functionality, being able to create series and email one-offs, but they do it at a much lower price point. So let's take a look at the pricing, and then I'm going to show you kind of what the interface looks like once you log in and have an account. So the great thing about Sender, and this is really tough to beat, guys, I haven't seen anything competitive or even close to this. So they have a free forever plan. So for businesses who are just starting out, for $0, you can get up to 2,500 subscribers and 15,000 emails per month. So, as you've seen, I've just shown you some of the other options. There's nothing that comes even close to that. And the cool thing is, once you start scaling your business, right, you can get up to 12,000 emails per month at just $8.33. Just $8.33 per month. So it's very scalable. You can really grow your business quickly using Sender, and they have a monthly billing option as well. And as I mentioned, their actual software is very intuitive. So I'm going to click in here to, this is the logged in account. I'm not going to show you my dashboard or my email campaigns because that's my business and I don't want you to see the sensitive information, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a workflow as an example. So you can create a win back series, onboarding, order confirmation, welcome series. So I'm going to click into this template, and they have these pre-built templates for series, and you can see here that they have different emails already built here. And so for this series, you would, once someone jumps, gets added to your new subscribers list, they would get the opt-in email. Then it would wait for 3 days, and you'd get the next email. So you can obviously tweak this however you want. I can just simply, erase this last step, right? And you can erase all the steps if you don't need them. But look how easy it is to just create the actual email itself. So I'm going to click in here, and you can see that you can drag and drop different sections. You can, or blocks. And, it's very intuitive and easy to change whatever you want to change. If you want to change your branding, you can easily upload a different image. And so as you can see, guys, just using this platform is super intuitive. You can pretty much build any email you can build in MailChimp or one of the other ones, you can easily do using this same service. And you can do it for free, right, to start. And you're going to use that if you're just a business starting out and you have less than 2,500 contacts. This, I think, is definitely the way to go. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not an affiliate of this company or anything like that. This is my honest opinion from all my years, 10 to 15 years of experience in email automation, right? So hopefully you guys found this useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.